Hello guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you a very delicious and quick salad that you can make for dinner, especially around this festive period. You can just have it on the table so people can serve alongside other delicious dishes that you have. Now I was nominated to do this salad challenge by How to Cook by L.N. Kalula. Thank you for the nomination. So right here I've got some mixed leaves, crispy mixed leaves. You can get it from the supermarket. I've got some cherry tomatoes, sweet corn. I cannot get enough of sweet corn. I just eat it as I go along. I've got avocado here, as you can see, olive oil, salt, and pepper. That is it, guys. So guys, right now I'm cutting tomatoes in half and I'm going to roast them. Oh my gosh, it tastes super delicious when you roast tomatoes, and it goes so well with salad, and I would definitely recommend you guys to do this. It is super yummy, and let me know what you think. So right now I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. Mix it all well together, making sure the salt and pepper gets in the tomatoes. And I'm going to season it with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I like to roast them facing upwards, as you can see. So I'm turning them all so it can face me. So this right here, honey, is going into 250 degrees preheated oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, voila, it is done. Now we just need to mix everything together. Everything is about to fall into place. So I'm going to add the mixed leaves into a salad bowl. Guys, do you like my salad bowl? My sister got it from me from somewhere in Africa. I think she got it from Kenya or Uganda, I'm not sure. But I just love it, as well as the spoon. She got me a complete set of everything. Anyways, I'm going to lose track here. So I've added sweet corn and olive oil. So I'm going to mix it all well together. Mix it all well together and mix it all well together. Then I'm going to add some avocado. So I'm just cutting it, as you can see, and adding them in. So I'm now mixing it all together. Then add the roasted tomatoes inside. What you can also do is add some avocado and sweet corn at the top, just to make it more visible so people can see what kind of salad it is for them to pick it up. Et voila! C'est prêt. Guys, I'll highly recommend you guys to have this for your Christmas party, New Year's party, your gathering, or everyday dinner. It's super delicious and very easy to make, right? Very easy. You can make this under like 10 minutes and it's done. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like. If you do, share with your friends and family on social media, because you just never know who you can help. You just never know. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care of yourself, eat well, enjoy, and I love you guys. I'll speak to you all on my next one. Bye bye.